Welcome students. Here we are going to start and discuss a very important topic, sequence and series. This topic is very important with competitive exams and point of view. And first of all, we'll start with the term sequence. So what is a sequence? Let us try to understand it. First of all, we'll make it clear by some simple examples. Suppose you write squares of all natural numbers, like 1 square is 1, 2 square is 4, 3 square is 9, 4 square is 16, 5 square is 25, and so on. This is a sequence of numbers, okay? And these numbers have been set according to a particular rule. And what is that rule? Squaring all natural numbers. Okay, suppose we take another example. Let us multiply each natural number by 2. So 2 into 1 is 2, 2 into 2 is 4, 2 into 3 is 6, 2 into 4 is 8, 2 into 5 is 10, like this. This is also an example of sequence because these numbers have been arranged in a particular manner, in a assigned rule. So now we can define a sequence, that sequence is a set of numbers specified in a particular order according to an assigned rule. Okay, so rule means here squaring all natural numbers. Rule means here multiplying all natural number by 2, like this. Okay, and we can see some more examples of sequence, like 1, 1 by 2, 1 by 3, 1 by 4, 1 by 5. This is also example of sequence. Okay, and sequence are represented by the notation T1 or Tn or An, like this, where n is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. Okay, so according to this representation, this is T1, this is T2, this is T3, this is T4, this is T5, like this. And if we try to write the nth term, then this will be Tn will be n square. Tn will be n square. Okay, in this case, this is T1, this is T2, this is T3, this is T4, this is Tn, and if you try to write Tn, then Tn will be equal to 2 into n. So in this way we can define nth term also. Okay, and there are two types of sequences. One is finite sequence, and another is infinite sequence. If the sequence is mentioned in such a way that we know the end number, then it is called a finite sequence. And if end number is not given, if you are not aware of the last number, then this is called infinite sequence. Okay, and what is the term of a sequence? What is the term of a sequence? Here members of this sequence means this number 1, first, second, third, fourth, these are known as terms. This is first term, second term, third term, fourth term, fifth term, and so on. Okay, so term of a sequence is nothing but members of a sequence. So therefore Therefore, first member is called first term, second member is called second term, and so on. And nth member is called nth term. Nth term is denoted by Tn or An. Okay, so this is a very basic concept of sequence, correct? And sequence is the numerical values of these numbers are either in increasing order or in decreasing order, because these numbers are arranged with the help of an assigned rule. Okay, so these are some basic concepts of sequence. And what is a series? Series is algebraic combination, or you can understand as addition of the terms of sequence is called series. Okay, addition of the terms of sequence is called series. Series means addition of terms of sequence is called a series. As for example, here this is a sequence 1, 4, 9, 16, 25. This is a sequence. Okay, and if you add these numbers like 1 plus 4 plus 9 plus 16 plus 25, then this is called a series, correct? So in a series you will find that these terms are formed according to a assigned rule. So simply addition, or you can say algebraic combination also, or alternatively positive or negative terms make a series. Okay, let us make it example. Suppose we write a nth term or Tn like this, minus 1 to the power n into n. Then how to get the sequence? So here first term T1 will be minus 1 to the power into 1. This is equal to minus 1. Similarly, second term will be minus 1 square into 2. This is equal to 2. Third term is minus 1 to the power 3 into 3. This is minus 3. Okay. Similarly, fourth term will be fourth term is minus 1 to the power 4 into 4. This is equal to 4. So the sequence which we are getting in this case is minus 1, 2, minus 3, 4, and so on. This is a sequence because the numbers are formed as per an assigned rule, and assigned rule is here this expression, this formulation, and we can find out any required number of terms by putting simply value of n here. So here minus 1, so not necessarily that all the terms of a sequence will be always positive or always negative, maybe positive or negative according to the assigned rule. So this is a sequence here, and this is, in this case, this is infinite sequence. So this is written as this notation, or this is written as this notation. Okay, and when the terms of this sequence will be added together, then this will become a series, and that series will be denoted by this notation, sigma a to the power n. N varies from 1 to n, if or n to any particular number, you may say 10 if it is a finite sequence, and if it is an infinite sequence, then in place of this number we will write infinity. Then this will be an infinite sequence, infinite series. Okay, so this is a very basic concept of sequence and series. This topic is very interesting as well as very important from competitive point of view. So in next videos we will see problems related to the topic sequence and series. I hope you have enjoyed this introduction of this topic, sequence and series, and hope you will be in touch with other videos so that we could understand the solution, we can understand the concept in regard to this chapter. Thank you very much for watching this video. Wish you all the best.